So in this video I'm gonna do this portrait with my son, and that's what we have. It's a bit tricky. We're gonna start with it. So which one you like to do?
This one.
The vase. Okay, I'm gonna do the peacock. So we're gonna keep the other portraits away, and let's go start it. So I'm going to start first with my peacock to show my son how to do it. That's the peacock that I'm gonna do, and this is the vase that my son gonna follow the colors to make it. So as you know here, Eric, you can have your stick and I'm gonna have my stick. The stick we're gonna use it just to peel off. We have all covered here. So we have all covered by stickers, and I'm gonna peel it off. As you can see here, it's peeled off, and I'm gonna follow the colors here, which is
blue.
It's the first one. It's silver. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna just stick it here. Just do that. Oh, it's blue. Yeah, you are right, and Eruka. I'm sorry.
It's alright.
That's okay. That's how we're gonna make it. Just press it and peel it off. And we can just fix it for the whole. As you can see, it didn't come out all of it, so we can fix it and peel it off. And we're done. That's how to make it. Now I'm gonna do the second one, which is red. Well done. And here I'm gonna peel it off and do it with red. As you can see, we have heaps of photos here, so we can make the paper enough for the project, to make it enough for all the pictures. Yeah, Eric?
Yeah.
Okay, now peeling, and we're done. So I'm gonna do it one by one, as you can see here, and we're gonna fast the video so you can see all the instructions how we are making it. So this one, as we said in the beginning, we thought this one, so this one is white or silver, and we have to press it, and we're done. Okay, let me just repeat it again because I missed some in the corner, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we can go around and fix it as well, as you can see here. And now I'm going here we are gonna almost finish. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe for my channel to get more updated about new videos and new activities, as I will post some more interesting videos in the future. Thank you for watching.